round of Scotch Order of Merit, which is the batch 4. And here we go with that. And I invite the first Order of Merit recipient. That goes to Mr. Chakravarti Singh Rathore, Commissioner from Berhampur Municipal Corporation for Sludge and Septage Management by Women SHGs. Please unmute yourself. Go ahead. We can hear you.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thanks for the recognition, sir.
You're welcome. And congratulations for doing good work. Keep it up. Thank you. I invite Dr. Ajoy Kumar Singh, Vice Chancellor of Bihar Agricultural University, for building capacity building of farmers, farm women and rural youth by applying ICT-based approaches for transfer of technology.
Thank you, Team Scotch, on behalf of Bihar Agriculture University. Myself, Dr. R.K. Suhane, Director Extension Education, and Vice Chancellor is another important meeting. So, on behalf of Bihar Agriculture University, thank you to its first team. In order to address these, Bihar Agriculture University Sabon has made best use of emerging digital ecosystem and rolled out a robust ICT-based extension model by carefully blending traditional extension networks with advanced ICT platform, including social media. Our initiative has helped us reach the unreached farmer in the last 5 years. We have conducted capacity building programs through Digital Chopal for more than 1 lakh farmer and other stakeholders, deployed some novel methodologies like use of micro SD card for transfer of technology, developed one of the largest YouTube channel with a subscribe base of more than 2.8 lakh subscriber and about 29 million viewership, and it's growing every day. Apart from that, we have BAU Crop Doctor for solving farmers' technical problem with a dedicated team of scientists. Kisan Gyan Rath is reaching the farmers at their doorstep with technical information. 2 dedicated community radio stations are working for the farming community. The extension model developed is promising and has potential and can serve to democratize the agricultural technology and information.
Thank you very much for your bringing up to speed on the efforts made by the university, particularly in this area of transfer of technology and capacity building. Congratulations once again for finding us. I now invite Mr. Ravi Shankar Chaudhary, District Magistrate from District Administration, Arwal. State Government Scheme Implementation of Jal Jeevan Haryali. That's groundwater rejuvenation.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. On behalf of District Administration Arwal, I thanks a lot Scotch institution for giving me this award, and I am really very much thankful, and I look forward to doing better in this field in my district. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations, sir. Mr. Baki Karthikeyan, Collector and District Magistrate from Dindori. District response to COVID. I invite Mr. Ranjan Kumar Das, Collector and District Magistrate from Jajpur. District response to COVID.
Thank you, sir. On behalf of people of Jajpur and Jajpur District Administration, I express my heartfelt thanks to Scotch Authorities for selecting us for this prestigious award. And it has been a long journey. During last 3 years, we have made our efforts in the field of health administration. A lot of putting to create infrastructure and health services in our district, and from a very backward district we have been able to set up most advanced systems in our district during last 3 years. And last year we got the India Today Award for Best Emerging District as a health sector, and this year's Scotch Award has also encouraged us to a great extent, and this has put a lot of responsibility on us too, and we will carry forward in future. So thank you a lot.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
I now invite Ms. Tanvi Garg, District Magistrate, District Administration, New Delhi, for response to COVID. Mr. Vivek Imanwar, Collector and District Magistrate from Wardha, for response to COVID.
Thanks, sir. Thanks very much for this recognition. It's a really prestigious award and it's a feather in the cap. But I know that this laureate not only bring the prestige, but it also bring the responsibility. And now that we have to live with the COVID for days and months or maybe years to come, the next challenge is to be that should be able to save each and every life of the person at the same time. We have to ensure that the economic activity also goes on smoothly. So this making the balance between the protecting the health of the citizen and maintaining the economic balance, I think it's a challenge. And this award has naturally given us a lot of boost and confidence. And I hope that this will go well. Thank you for the recognition.
Congratulations, Vivek. Ms. Neha Bansal, District Magistrate from District Administration, West Delhi, also goes for District Response to COVID Scotch Order of Merit. Do we have somebody from West Delhi? Please unmute yourself. Yes, go ahead. I think they are waiting.
Hello, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nishant Bodhwani, Project Coordinator at District West. I have my sir, DPO sir, District Project Officer, has prepared a presentation regarding District West response to COVID-19. And now I want to, on behalf of him, I want to explain my presentation regarding. Sir, can I start explain?
This is not a presentation. This is receiving the Scotch Order of Merit. So we are aware of the efforts that you have made. So
Yes,
you
sir.
you can say a couple of sentences while receiving the award. That's all the time we have. Not to take the presentation at this moment.
Okay.
Well, thank you very much for joining us and congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Ranjan Bose, Professor from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, for the project Virtual Labs. Mr. Francis Hariel, President Kunukara Panchayat, for city response to COVID. Mr. Kunukara.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you to Scotch Group and the jury team for giving a chance to participate in the Scotch Summit and present our activities relating to manage COVID-19 pandemic. This award is great support to us and will give a new energy to face the situation. Thank you once again.
Congratulations.
And congratulations. And now invite Dr. Adila Abdullah, District Collector from Wayanad, District Response to COVID. Dr. A.V. Chandra Dasan, President from Numahe Grama Panchayat, City Response to COVID.
Hello, sir. Good afternoon, sir. On behalf of our President, Numai Gram Panchayat, Mr. A.V. Chandradasan, I am Amrita, extending our heartfelt thanks to Sports Group for considering our project in your program. And I extend my thanks for giving us an opportunity to showcase our work regarding the COVID fight. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Move on to Petlad Municipality for its project Recycling. Ms. Hiral Thakur, Chief Officer, Petlad Municipality.
नमस्कार सर, चीफ ऑफिसर हिरल ठाकर सर, मैं स्कोच का धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि हमारी जो सर्विसेज है वो जानी गई है. This has inspired me and even my team to work even better and harder in future. I humbly accept this award on behalf of the government of Gujarat and Regional Commissioner of Vadodara. I really thankful to you, and sir, this success I want to I want to share it to citizens of Petlad, because they are very cooperative for these services.
Congratulations, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations.
Sir, again, Petlad municipality is nominated in 5 categories. So this is ESL project. We have done a great job in conservation of energy. हमने बहुत ही एनर्जी ये ESL प्रोजेक्ट लगा के नगर पालिका की इनकम भी बहुत अच्छी करी है और सर्विसेज भी अच्छी की है. तो एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन में पेटलाद म्यूनिसिपैलिटी का ये प्रोजेक्ट बहुत ही अच्छा है, जिसकी क्रेडिट में अपने टीम मेंबर्स को देना चाहता हूँ.
Congratulations again. We have the next one also going to you, Prosram Rehabilitation.
घर हर एक लोगों का सपना रहता है और पेटलाद म्यूनिसिपैलिटी ने 224 आवास बना के दिए हैं और दूसरे PMAY के अंतर्गत लाभार्थियों को 655 लाभार्थियों को आवास दिए हैं. इस प्रकार 850 से ज़्यादा लोगों को घर का सुख प्राप्त हुआ है और पेटलाद म्यूनिसिपैलिटी ने इस प्रकार स्लम रिहेबिलिटेशन में बहुत ही अच्छा काम करा है. और बाकी की जो ज़मीन है वो सरकारी ज़मीन है वो खुली करके उसमें एनवायरमेंट कंजर्वेशन का प्रोजेक्ट भी किया गया है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Congratulations again. So we now move on to Ms. Alu Shrisha, Assistant Engineer from Pithampura Municipality for IEC for segregation of waste at source and preparing on-site composting from wet waste by method of bin composting.
Sir, I would like to express my gratitude towards sports group and the jury for presenting this award to our municipality. I am receiving this honor on behalf of our Commissioner, Sri Kalibabu. Thank you.
Congratulations. Next one also goes to Pithampura Municipality for its response to COVID.
Thank you again to the jury for selecting us for this award. Actually, was just because of retired municipal commissioner, recently retired municipal commissioner Sri Nageshwara Garu, and we would like to dedicate these 2 awards to all sanitation workers, health workers, and all ward secretariat staff. Thank you.
Excellent gesture. Thank you so much and congratulations. I now invite Mr. Vishal Sharma, Associate Professor from Postgraduate Government College for Girls for Windrow Composting, Solid Waste Management, Chandigarh.
Good afternoon, sir. I express my gratitude to Coach Awards, particularly to Sunil Kocherji, to recognize our project, because we are doing the solid waste management and making the organic compost. And today our college is fully organic. We are doing the landscaping and floriculture operation using that organic compost we are making. And second step, now we are raising the vegetable crops that we are giving it to the hostels, because R is a pure girls college. We have 5,000 girls in Chandigarh. So next step, we are going for the biogas production, and we got 2 prizes from already from the Rose Festival for best maintained. But recognizing it and giving this platform, I am very thankful to Kocherji and Skochova. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Sharma ji. I also do composting and I grow my own food on my terrace.
Thanks, sir. I will definitely in touch with you, sir, for guidance. Thank you.
Thank you all for joining us for this batch 4 of Scotch Order of Merit.